Hey you!
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Would you like to know how to use green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro?
Why would I?
So the first thing you have to do is you have to open Premiere Pro. I'm just going to title this video How to Green Screen. Hit OK. Alright, now you have to import your media. You just right click here, hit import, and then go to your files and see whatever video or picture or whatever you would want to select. Since this is obviously a green screen tutorial, I'm going to get this one right here with Christine in the green screen. Drag that down here. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the effects panel and search Ultra key. And once you find that, you're going to select that and drag it down to your video. After this, you're going to need to go to the effects control panel and see the little eye drop. You're going to click on that and then click the green background. And just like that, your green screen is gone. It's also important to add that you don't have your subjects or whatever you're filming wearing green when you're doing this, because this will happen. Man, it's so hot in here. I'm going to take off my jacket.
Whoa, where's your body, man?
What do you mean, where's my body? Oh my god! Where'd I go? What's happening right now? What did
Oh my gosh.
What did you do to me? Finally, the last step is going to be importing a background, and this is just the same step as step 1. And just get a picture or video, whatever you want to put behind your green screen. And in this case, I'm going to do a beach, but you can do whatever you want. You can get creative with it. I'm going to stretch this out, but make it something that you think is interesting or visually cool to look at. This might be too aggressive. Let's find something with unlicensed music. And I think I want to use a picture. Now this is beautiful. Thanks for watching.
Fatality.